What's up guys, we just finished a flip on this condo townhome in Cambridge. Let's go inside and check it out. So this being a condo, we didn't have to do anything on the exterior, which is amazing. Sometimes we like to get those because exterior work kind of sucks.
Big time. And what really benefited us was that the condo board just recently redid the exterior.
Yeah, totally.
So it actually was such a nice complex. So I think that worked in our favor.
Yeah, so this flip was a super easy one, cosmetics only, typical Fruitful 101. So can't wait to show you.
When you first walk in the door, you walk up the stairs and you're greeted by a huge living room with
townhouse was massive,
super tall ceilings in the living room as well. And lucky for us, as Matt mentioned, this was just purely a cosmetic flip. So we just did paint, floors, trim. We did do a new kitchen and we just did a few upgrades to the bathrooms, but really nothing major.
Nice and easy. We did get rid of a fireplace, like a gas fireplace right where the TV is currently now. And it was just too dangerous and too, I don't know, not smart to fix. So we just got rid of it, drywalled it.
Wasn't working, it looked terrible, and it would have been an expensive fix to replace it.
And time, it would take months.
It would have taken so long just to get a new fireplace brought in. So we just decided to scrap it, and I think it makes it look a little bit more big.
So this kitchen turned out amazing, and it's actually probably one of the most favorite kitchens we've ever done on social media. Everybody loves this one. Every time we do a vote, this one always wins.
Yeah, which is surprising because it's definitely like a modern take, but it's not the most like ultra modern, I would say. It's a little bit more classic, traditional, and maybe that's why people like it. It appeals to a wide array of people. But yeah, we did like a light, soft gray cabinet with gold fixtures, so gold handles, gold faucet, and we just did a really simple backsplash, slightly more elevated than just a regular white subway. We did a white picket fence style backsplash, and it was just
awesome.
Yeah, very clean, simple, fresh, and everybody loves it.
So this was a 2-bedroom condo, but the master bedroom was absolutely gigantic, and the master suite bathroom off of it was awesome.
Yeah, super huge. It had like a jacuzzi tub, which we've never done before.
Scarface style.
Yeah, exactly. A little bit like 80s, early 90s-esque. But we got really lucky because the bones of the bathroom were actually in good shape. So we didn't have to replace the tub. I don't think we even replaced the stand-up shower. We just kind of kept everything as is. We did replace the tile just to freshen it up. But otherwise, we pretty much left it as is.
Nice and easy. So the basement was decently big. It definitely had room to do a +1 or a 3rd bedroom. So we kind of left that for the buyer to kind of figure out. But we just kind of finished it, paint, floor trim, doors. We're out of there.
Well, I think the room that could be used as like an office or a 3rd bedroom, it was totally open to the furnace, the air conditioning, and we did actually enclose that all off into like a closet so that they did have the option to easily just make it into another room.
Yeah, which really adds value to the property, which is what we want. All right, guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed this transformation, a nice and easy flip. Not all of them have to be extravagant. It's all about making that money, and this one was a really good project. So if you like this video and you want to see more, definitely subscribe for more videos every single week. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.